Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever wondered how to create your own URL shortener? In this video, we will build a fully interactive URL shortener using Python and Tkinter. This project is perfect for beginners and will teach you how to integrate APIs, handle user input, and design a simple GUI. So let's get started. So the question is, what is URL shortener? It converts long, hard to remember URLs into short, shareable links. How we will build it? For this, we use Tkinter for a graphical user interface, use the TinyURL API to generate short links, allow users to copy the shortened URL with one click. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a fully functional URL shortener with a professional looking interface. Okay, before we start coding, install the required Python modules. So in my case, I already installed, but for you guys, I will write the command. So pip install requests paperclip. So requests to send API request to the tiny URL and paperclip to copy the shortened URL to the clipboard. Okay, now let's start coding. First, import the necessary libraries. Import Tkinter as a tk. Now from Tkinter import message box, import requests, and the last one is paperclip. Okay, we will create a simple Tkinter window with an entry field for the long URL, a button to shorten it, and a display area for the shortened URL. So create the main application window. So root equal to tk dot tk. Now after this root dot title, so URL shortener. Now after this root dot geometry, so the window size is 40 into 300. Okay. Now root dot resizable, so false and false. Okay, now add the labels and entry fields. So handling labels, so tk dot label. So here we use the root. What should be the text is URL shortener. Okay, now font style Arial, size is 16 and bold. Now after this dot pack, padding y equal to 10. Okay, now after this input field for long URL. Okay, so tk dot label. So here we use the root text, enter the URL. Now after this font Arial now 10 size. After this dot pack. So after this URL underscore entry equal to tk dot entry. Here we use the root and width equal to 50. Now after this URL entry dot pack padding y equal to 5. Okay, now output field for shortened URL. So short URL underscore label equal to tk dot label root text shortened URL will appear here. Now comma font Arial 10 and foreground equal to blue. Now short URL underscore label dot pack pad y equal to 10. Okay, now add button. So function to shorten URL. Now define the function with the name shorten underscore URL. Okay, now long URL equal to URL underscore entry dot get. If not long URL, now show the message box dot show error. So error, please enter a valid URL. Okay, now after this return. Okay, so API underscore URL equal to F, which is a formatted string. HTTPS, I will write the API URL manually. So tinyurl.com / API minus creator.php question mark. Now URL equal to long URL. Now after this try, so response equal to requests dot get API URL. Now after this short URL equal to response dot text short underscore URL underscore label dot config, so which is text equal to short URL exception. So here we use the message box dot show error and error failed to shorten URL, check your internet connection. Okay, now create another function to create a copy URL. Now here we use define copy underscore to and clipboard. Okay, now after this short underscore URL, which is equal to short underscore URL label dot cget text. Now after this if http in short URL, then paperclip dot copy short underscore URL. Now after this message box dot show info, here we use success and show a message shorten URL copied to clipboard. Okay, now after this else message box dot show error show the messages no shorten URL to copy. Now add buttons. So tk dot button Here we use root text equal to shorten URL command equal to shorten URL and the background color is green and foreground here I am using red and font equal to Arial size 10 and bold. Okay, now dot pack add y equal to 5. Copy this one, paste and copy URL and change the command. Copy to clipboard, background color blue. This one is also red. Okay, now after this run the error here. Now finalizing the application. So root dot main loop, save, run the script and wait for it. What we will get was not closed online 53, 953 and 54. Okay, so here we missed the comma and here as well. Save and run the script. Now here you can see the interface of the URL shortener. Now I am copying the URL of the YouTube, paste in the text field, click on the shorten URL button. Now here you can see the shortened URL. You can also copy this URL and see the message shorten URL copied to clipboard and now paste it here. Now here you can see it shows a redirect to YouTube. Click on it and that's it. You now have a fully functional URL shortener with an interactive GUI. And that's how you build an interactive URL shortener in Python using Tkinter. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more awesome Python projects, and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next video.